Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how long Newton withdrawals take. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally answer it for you. Before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about what Newton is. Newton is a cryptocurrency exchange that is based in Singapore. It is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Newton offers a wide range of services, including buying and selling cryptocurrencies, staking, and lending. How long do Newton withdrawals take? The answer to this question depends on a number of factors, including the type of cryptocurrency you are withdrawing, the withdrawal method you are using, and the current network congestion. In general, Newton withdrawals take between 1 and 24 hours to process. However, there are some exceptions to this rule. For example, withdrawals to Bitcoin addresses can take up to 6 hours to process. Withdrawals to Ethereum addresses can take up to 24 hours to process. Here is a table that summarizes the average withdrawal times for different cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency. Withdrawal time. Bitcoin. 1 to 6 hours. Ethereum. 1 to 24 hours. Litecoin. 1 to 24 hours. Bitcoin Cash. 1 to 24 hours. Ripple. 1 to 24 hours. Stellar. 1 to 24 hours. XRP. 1 to 24 hours. Tether. 1 to 24 hours. USD Coin. 1 to 24 hours. Export to Sheets. It is important to note that these are just average withdrawal times. The actual time it takes for your withdrawal to process may vary depending on a number of factors. How to withdraw from Newton. If you are ready to withdraw from Newton, here are the steps you need to follow. Log into your Newton account. Click on the Withdraw tab. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Select the withdrawal method you want to use. Click on the Withdraw button. Once you have submitted your withdrawal request, it will be processed by Newton. Once your withdrawal has been processed, you will receive a confirmation email from Newton. Tips for withdrawing from Newton. Here are a few tips for withdrawing from Newton. Use a withdrawal method that is supported by Newton. Not all withdrawal methods are supported by Newton. Be sure to check the list of supported withdrawal methods before you submit your withdrawal request. Make sure you have the correct withdrawal address. If you enter an incorrect withdrawal address, your funds may be lost forever. Be patient. It can take some time for your withdrawal to be processed. Don't panic if your withdrawal doesn't process immediately. If you have any questions, contact Newton Support. Newton Support is available 24/7 to answer any questions you may have. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.